Crawlspace Drainage Systems of Michigan, foundation systems, homes on slabs, basement drainage. French Drain Man is a full-service drainage service. We are drainage experts for foundation drains, perimeter drains, crawlspace drains. We also correct the grade. We make sure the water sheds away from the house. We are equipped to come in and do the inside work as well as the outside work. If you want a company to come in that understands drainage, and they're going to do the inside as well as the outside, not just the crawl space and then telling you to have your landscaper correct the grade. You need a drainage expert on the inside as well as the outside. Our trained technicians can do a full service A through Z, leaving you with a finished grade, drainage on the outside of the home, drainage on the inside of the home. No job's too big, no job's too small. Just give us a call at 248-505-3065 for your foundation drainage system today. Don't delay. These water problems will tax the largest investment that you have in life, and that is your home. Protect your castle and make sure you're taking care of that water. Definitely have the water discharged 25 feet from the home. Water can make it back to the foundation of your home through capillary action. You don't want to have the water discharging 10 feet away from the home like most roof runoff systems. We take it right to the street, storm drain, ditch, lake, stream, whatever it takes to get the water safely away from your home and property. Don't delay. Call French Drain Man today.